Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. So it is quite early. It's actually 8:30 right now, and I woke up around what, like 7:30, like an hour ago. So today I am doing a protective style, which is why I am up early and filming this video for you guys, okay? So this video actually isn't going to be the protective style video, but this is going to be the protective style prep video. So I'll be showing you how I wash my hair, condition, and prepare it for the protective style that is going in. So of course I will link the actual video of the protective style in this video. I am going to be doing butterfly locks, okay? So I'll be showing you guys how I prepare my hair for this butterfly locks protective hairstyle, okay? So to prepare my hair for this style, I will be using mostly Naturally Boundless products. I know you guys know that I'm always using Naturally Boundless. My first quarantine wash day, episode 1, was a Naturally Boundless video, and it was a hit. So I know you guys really enjoyed that video. So I'm going to show you guys how I prepare my hair using Naturally Boundless hair products, okay? So you guys are probably wondering, okay, what is this black thing she's holding, and is this what she's going to wash her hair with? Yes it is. So this is the clarifying shampoo and body bar, and it is activated charcoal, okay? So ingredients: water, activated charcoal, bentonite clay, beeswax, and saponified oils, okay, of coconut oil, shea butter, sunflower oil, castor oil, grapeseed oil, and avocado, okay? So this is the clarifying shampoo and body bar by Naturally Boundless. Next, getting into conditioner. You guys know I love this conditioner. This is the Naturally Boundless Sweet Mint Smoothie Multi-Use Hydrating Set 3-in-1 Detangling Conditioner, okay? So once we get into styling, I will be using Naturally Boundless, but I'm going to be incorporating some other stuff too, just so that my hair is fully protected in this protective style. So I'm going to be using the Whip Shea Sorbet by Naturally Boundless. I'll also be using some Let's Jam. You guys know I love Let's Jam for protective styles. I actually don't have it with me right now. I'm going to go to the store during my deep condition process. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know I will be using Let's Jam. It's so good for, you know, those good neat parts and keeping down the flyaways, okay? And then to seal in all of my moisture, I'll be sealing in with Jamaican black castor oil. So my hair is going to be really hydrated. You guys, I trim my hair and I feel like it literally just grew right back. Like, I honestly feel like I lost nothing. So I know my hair is going to grow even more in this protective style. But yeah, let's get into it. This video is not going to be super hard to follow. I think it should be really easy to follow along, and you guys can also do this at home if you are going to be doing butterfly locks or any other type of locks that you can start with braided hair, okay? Alright, so my hair is soaking wet right now, and I wanted it to be soaking because I'm not doing this in the shower, and I really need enough water to like actually make this like activate, you know? So yeah, I'm just going to rub this on my hair and cleanse it. So you guys can see the bubbles starting to form. That's just how easy it is. It's not like you have to scrub super hard or do anything to or break it up to make it work. You literally just rub it on your scalp if your hair is wet and keep it going. Alright, so once you've got a little amount on there, it just lathers right on up. Super easy to use. So if you do have like 4C hair or just really thick coarse hair, definitely applying this in sections will make the process go a lot quicker for you. So for me, I can just, you know, rub it onto my hair and it'll spread throughout my hair and cleanse it. But you guys may need to actually like separate into sections, apply it, and then it'll lather just as easy the same way, okay? Alright, so to apply my Sweet Mint Smoothie conditioner, I'm going to split my hair into 4 sections, and I will be finger detangling. I'm also going to be tangling with my Organic Beauty detangling brush, but I do want to mostly finger detangle, okay? I just want less breakage, less hair loss. So the goal is to finger detangle, but if I'm struggling, I'll probably run this through about 1 to 2 times just to make sure. And that'll make our braiding process easier with really good detangled hair. All right. Alright, so I finished applying my conditioner and I twisted up my hair just so that it stays detangled, okay? So this really helps to stay detangled, and when you detangle in sections like this, it helps with the detangling process and your hair is able to absorb the product while it's in its own section, okay? So I'm going to run to the store like this and grab some Let's Jam. My hair should be nice and deep conditioned, okay? So once I get back, I'll rinse and we'll get into styling. Alright, so my hair is washed, it's conditioned, we are ready to style. So what I did was I made my middle part and I made my side parts, and I made sure that those were neat, okay? So I made sure those were very neat because most likely the middle part will be showing. The back, it might not be showing like that, but you never know. You know what I'm saying? I just made the part straight anyways. When it comes to parting for this style, because we are doing locks, the back isn't going to be as neat. I'm still going to try to make the back neat, but the parts are not going to be perfectly neat like the front will be, okay? So I've got my Let's Jam, and I actually have the Let's Jam Protein and Shine Gel Mega Hold, okay? So usually I use the extra hold Let's Jam, but they didn't have it, so I'm like, okay, Mega Hold it is. We gonna see, okay? And just lay, all right? Okay. Alright, so I went ahead and started just so I could get my footing, and it's actually going a lot quicker than I thought it was. I thought these mini braids were going to take me like 10 years, but I am powering through it, okay? So I've got about 3 braids per row. Alright guys, so I finished braiding all of the back. Literally what I started I started around 1 o'clock and now it's 5, so it's taken me, I did take a break though. I took a break, ate some food, okay? So it took me roughly about 4 hours to just braid the back of my head, okay? So now all that's left is the front part, and I specifically left the front unbraided because I'm gonna do triangle parts in the front. Yeah, so I'm just gonna wing it. What I'm gonna do, right, is I'm gonna do this side off camera just so I know what I'm doing, and then I will show you guys how I did it on this side, okay? Alright, so I did the triangle parts and they were actually a lot easier than I thought they were gonna be. So basically you're still parting the same way, like parting straight back. The only difference is when you get into the actual row that you're on, you start to part slanted, okay? Alright, so you guys see that I have my first slant here. Once the first braid is done, you're going to part in the opposite direction. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to go down. Alright guys, so I have finally finished my mini braids. Wow, this is a lot. I'm like, it didn't seem like that much when I was doing it, but now I see why it took me so long, okay? So my plan for the butterfly locks was to braid today and do the butterfly locks tomorrow. So you guys, please make sure you tune into my actual protective style video. This is the purpose of doing this video, was showing you how I'm preparing my hair for the butterfly locks, okay? So my hair is all braided, moisturized. I have infused it with oils, butters, creams, okay? So my hair is ready to be put into its protective style. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope this video was super informative for you guys, and I'll see you guys in my butterfly locks video. Bye guys.